Hola. This video explains when to use the verb saber and when to use the verb conocer. They both mean to know, so we should know the difference. Now, in conversation, you might have already heard some of this. Like the question, ¿Sabes hablar español? ¿Sabes hablar español? Sí. ¿Tú sabes hablar español? Pues yo sí. Sí sé hablar español. And then the next question. ¿Conoces al señor Corso? Tú. Sí, tú. ¿Conoces al señor Corso? Yo. Sí, pues claro, conozco al señor Corso. Es un maestro de español, genial, súper guapo y un poco cómico. All right, so let's learn how to conjugate these verbs, right? As I mentioned, they both mean to know. Specifically, conocer is used to talk about people and places, things that you are familiar with, right? And it could also mean to meet someone for the first time. Okay, now, one of the key hints in context when you're trying to decipher when to use conocer and when to use saber, well, with conocer, you typically see the a, okay, which would basically state that the direct object of the sentence that we're knowing is a person. Like in the first question, ¿Conoces al señor Corso? Sí, conozco al señor Corso. Now, let's look at the conjugations, okay? So the yo form is irregular, okay, and it's conozco. To form is regular, so it's conoces. Okay, the él, ella, usted form is conoce. Nosotros conocemos. Vosotros conocéis. And ellos, ellas, y ustedes conocen. Okay, so now that we know the verb conocer and how to conjugate it, let's look at the verb saber. Now, when you use the verb saber, all right, you typically use it to talk about facts. So like things that you would find in an encyclopedia. Okay, now, typically in statements, you'll see the question words. Okay, and this will basically indicate like when something's done, who the subject, I guess the facts of the sentence are, and so on. Okay, so as I mentioned, saber also means to know, all right, and I would write in your notes that it means to know facts or how to do something, much like in my question. ¿Sabes hablar español? Right, I'm asking, do you know how to do something? Do you know how to speak Spanish? Sí, sé hablar español. Let's take a look at the conjugations. All right, so the yo form is irregular too, just like conocer. So it's sé. The tu form is sabes. El, ella, usted, sabe. And then we have the nosotros form, which is sabemos. Vosotros sabéis. Ellos, ellas, and ustedes saben. Okay, now you should be able to complete the two exercises that are directly below these verb charts. In conclusion, I'm going to leave you with this question. ¿Sabes usar los verbos saber y conocer? Come to class with your response. Hasta luego, chicos.